Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the service problem. Check Xbox Live status and note whether the outage matches your region. Once done, power cycle the console. Hold the power button for about 10 seconds, unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in. This clears transient faults. Next, run the built-in network test under Settings, General Network Settings to see packet loss or DNS failures. Make sure to write down error codes. They guide the next steps and save time when contacting support. Once the console basics are done, focus on the network and account layer. Restart your router or modem, power off for 30 seconds, and if possible, use Ethernet to rule out Wi-Fi. Next, clear the alternate MAC in Network Settings Advanced. This resets network parameters. Then sign out of your profile and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. If the store or multiplayer still fails, switch to a phone hotspot briefly to determine whether the problem is local ISP versus Xbox service. Finish by ensuring your console firmware is current. Install any pending system updates so service compatibility issues are avoided. If problems persist, use a console reset as a last resort. Choose between keeping games/apps or removing everything depending on time and backups. Make sure to record exact error codes, timestamps, and the diagnostic results. Then contact Xbox support with that info. Troubleshooting tip: try a mobile hotspot. If that works, the outage is likely with your ISP or router, not Xbox servers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.